during the current financial year.
As part of the two-day orientation training program for farmers on integrated pest management in paddy cultivation, a field visit and inspection was carried out at Sintuxiarjoy. During the field visit, demonstration of IPM strategies on seed treatment, pheromone trap installation, insect pest and diseases identification and paddy cultivation was done. The resource person from the Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong Meghalaya Plant Protection Officer Gokul Ram M talked about the program and far-reaching consequences in paddy cultivation.
We found some of the pest and diseases. So to mitigate that measures, we have formulated this orientation training program for farmers and agriculture officers with the help of a state department. So all the groups have been made as small groups. They have went to the field one by one. They have made the observations. The first step is called field inspection by the small groups. They have observed, collected the pest and defenders, and they have recorded the data, number of pests and per the fields and all.
In the ICC Men's T